So ngayon, mag-graph naman tayo ng another kind of equation for ellipse. So we have 25x squared plus 4y squared is equals to 100. So mapapansin niyo, medyo malayo na siya dun sa ating equations of the general equation for ellipse, which are the quantity of x minus h squared over a squared plus y minus k squared over b squared is equals to 1. And then, for our vertical ellipse, we have x minus h squared over a squared plus y minus k squared over b squared is equals to 1 for our vertical ellipse. So, ang ating munang gagawin is to transform our standard equation to its general form and vice versa. So, paano nga bang gagawin natin nun? This is very simple problem and don't be confused agad. So, ang gagawin natin, we just rewrite the equation that is 25x squared plus 4y squared is equals to 100, and we just divide yung ating denominator by itself para magkaroon tayo ng ng 1. So, once we divide 100 by 100, makukuha natin yung sagot na 1. So, we will just divide the whole equation by 100. So, we will have 25 divided 100, that is 1 over 4. Or we can write, hindi na natin kailangan isulat yung 1. So, we will have x squared over 4 plus 4 divided by 100, that is 1 over 25, or simply y squared over 25, and this is equal to 1. So, meron tayong nakuha na standard form of ellipse. So, all we know is that yung 4 natin is mas maliit sa 25. Ibig sabihin, we have A is less than B. So, ibig sabihin, yung ating equation is on vertical. So, yung center natin, since wala na yung equation natin na kasamang coefficient, so, ang center natin will be at its origin. And then, since meron tayong 4 as its A squared is equals to 4, and our b squared is equals to 25. So, yung a natin is equal to 2, and b is equal to 5. Now, we can graph using yung ating mga nakuha ng values. So, since yung ating graph ay nasa center, dito yon. And ang ating ellipse is vertical. So, ibig sabihin, aakyat tayo, vertical, aakyat tayo ng 5 points pataas. So, we will have 1, 2, and this is 0, 5 for our vertex. And then, pababa naman, let's count 1 to 5. And that is 0, negative 5. For our vertex, that is 0, 5, and 0, negative 5. For our co-vertex, so bibilangin naman natin yung minor axis natin, which is 2. So, mag-account tayo ng 2, papuntang kanan. And this is 2, 0. And then, 2 points, pa kabila naman, pa negative sign ng x. So, this is negative 2, 0. So, our points for co-vertices are 2, 0, and negative 2, 0. And then, all we have to do is to trace yung ating graph. And last thing to do is to solve for our foci. Yung foci natin ay equals to C That is the square root of yung malaking number, which is 25 minus 4. So 25 minus 4, that is 21. So kapag kinompute natin yan, the square root of 21 that is equals to 4.58. So roughly, yung ating foci will be halfway ng 4 and 5. So dito yung point na yon, let's have yung C. And then dito, let's have your C. And that's how you graph an ellipse on a standard form.